here with Nature Glows East Science. So why do homeschool math history in your homeschool math? So back in 1997, I picked up a Time Life book called Mathematics, and I actually did a video about it yesterday and actually gave you a little tour of the PDF version online at the Open Library. You can borrow it for free. Pretty awesome. But when I thumbed through this amazing picturesque book showing real-life connections with math, one of the things that David Bergamini did was bring us through math history. And I actually, in all the years I had been through K through 12 school, I didn't study math in particular in college, but I was studying education. But I had never had the experience of learning math history. And I just thought it was really fascinating. It like brought the math alive for me. And that would be like number one. You know, instead of the numbers being dry and boring, like from a typical textbook, learning the history of how, you know, a particular math concept came into being can be fascinating. And humans learn best by story, and history is the story of humanity. So learning mathematics with the backbone of history is actually what I do in my Math Art online course, ideally for kids ages 10 to 18. Also, younger kids can do well that are digitally savvy and independent online, or can work side by side with their older siblings or their parents. So in my Math Art online course, which I introduce, if you click on the link with this post, you can grab my Math Learning Secrets Guide, which is actually the gateway to my Math Art online course. It gives you the framework and teaching math in your homeschool using fun and real-life connections through things like game schooling and storytelling, telling math stories or reading aloud math stories. So history is that opportunity to read aloud to your kids the history of how certain math concepts came to be. So I just encourage you to go online and just simply Google math history, and you will find tons and tons of resources. So awesome. I hope that you will dive into math history with your kids. So again, just grab my Math Learning Secrets, click on that link. I just released this new guide helping you build a 5-pillar Math Learning Secrets framework, helping you liberate your homeschool from math drudgery through fun and real-life connections in math. So I do want to continue on this strain here about math history, why studying math history. So not only does it bring the maths alive, makes it far more interesting for kids to study. Stories is really the best way for humans to learn. For eons, humans have been telling each other stories, and in indigenous tribes today, how they pass their culture down to their children is through storytelling. So why not learn math through math history and learn the stories of math, because it just brings it to life. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching today. Again, give me a thumbs up here on YouTube and wherever you're watching me on social media. Click that subscribe button. And here on YouTube, love to have you here as a subscriber. And really appreciate your time today. And talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.